truck builds to max pressure on its own, I'm going to go ahead and run my in-cab inspection. I'm checking that both my mirrors are properly mounted secured, they're not chipped, cracked, or broken, and they are adjusted to my vision. I'm checking my windshield. It's properly mounted secure, not chipped, cracked, or broken. No illegal stickers obstructing my vision. I have a rubber weather strip around my windshield. It is intact. It is not dry rotted, ripped, or torn. My windshield wiper arms are properly mounted secure, not being cracked or broken, and they are working. They turn on here. To use my washer fluid, I would hold this button down. It would spray washer fluid on my windshield. My windshield wiper blades, they're in good condition. They're not dry rotted, ripped, or torn, and they are flush against my windshield. My steering wheel, no more than 2-inch play on a 20-inch wheel. My city horn works, my air horn works. My left blinker works, my right blinker works. My four-way flashers, they are working. My headlights turn on here. I got my high beams and low beams. They are working. My oil pressure gauge reads between 20 and 60 psi. My water temperature gauge is working. It reads between 170 and 180 degrees. My voltmeter reads right here between 12 and 14. When I turned my truck on, my ABS light came on and went off. Again, my primary and secondary air gauge works. My governor cuts out no higher than 140 psi. My heater and defroster work. They turn on here. You can feel them. Back here I have my emergency equipment. I have my fire extinguisher properly mounted secure to the cab. It is fully charged in the green, safety pin in the handle, and is at a 10 BC rating or better. I also have 3 red reflective triangles. None are missing, none are bent, cracked, or broken. And I also have spare bulbs and spare fuses in there. At this point, I'll be testing my brake system. Since both are pulled out, I'll test them both together. I would put my truck in drive, keep my foot on the brake. As I ease up off the brake, feel that tug? That was a good test. Both my trailer and parking brake out. Now I'm going to test them individually. So I'm going to push in my trailer brake. I'm testing my parking brake. Ease up off the brake. Feel that tug? That was a good test. My parking brake out. Now I'm going to test my trailer brake. So I pull out my trailer brake, push in my parking brake. Ease up off the brake pedal. Feel that tug? That was a good test. My trailer brake out. Now I'm going to be testing my service brake. So I'm going to push both my yellow and red brakes in. Keep my hands on the side of the steering wheel. I'm going to tell the examiner I'm going to take my foot off the brake. I'm going to go no more than 5 miles an hour, no more than 5 feet. I ain't then going to firmly press on the brake. I'm checking that my truck does not pull to the left or right. I'm making sure that I didn't hear any unusual braking noises or sounds. And I'm making sure that there is no hesitation or delay in my braking. That concludes my in-cab inspection. I would then pop my brakes and pull my truck in neutral.